Alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praises and thanks due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the Lord of the universe, and Master of the Day of Judgment. I bear witness to the fact that Muhammad ibn Abdullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his servant and final messenger, may the peace and blessings of Allah be upon him and upon those who choose to tread his path until the last day. Respected teachers, honorable and venerable guests, and my beloved viewers and listeners. First of all, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School, as well as my beloved trainer and teacher, Mufti Abdul Haq Sahab Nadvi, and my all teachers for providing me with a wonderful platform to enlighten my brain and develop my personality. Dear listeners and viewers, today I am honored to present you the functional grammar, and I pray that becomes a great benefit to all of us. Dear listeners, there are two important aspects to impart any kind of knowledge to others, and they are motivation and methodology. So we make every effort to use new teaching techniques, thereby making the process of learning grammar easy and simple. And we try our level best to present grammar sections as the most interesting, the most relevant task for day-to-day activities. And we focus more on practice sections because there is no problem even if students commit mistakes. Nobody learns without first committing mistakes. And remember the golden rule: I listen, I forget. I see, I remember. I practice, I learn. So practice is very important to everyone. Dear listeners, as you know, every one of us knows how to drive a car, how to ride a bike, but it depends on our practice. How much we drive a car, how much we ride a bike, it will become perfect. So like that, in all aspects of our life, in all subjects, how much we practice, it will become perfect. Then teaching interactively, teaching with heart, responding immediately to the points. So after few lessons, student will be able to see the benefit of learning grammar. So I will explain a brief introduction of the functional grammar. So please pay heed to my words. So you can see here, we write this one. We write this one, but we read this one. There are two parts of the words. There are two parts of the letters. Like this in English language also. This is how to write and how to pronounce. There are two parts of the alphabets: how to write and how to pronounce. And you can see this one in every dictionary, maybe Oxford, maybe Cambridge, and even in F. There are four parts of the dictionary: how to write, how to pronounce, then parts of speech, then the meaning. So there are four parts of the dictionary. If we learn this one, it will become helpful for us. And these are the sentences without giving any grammar, without giving any particular formula, like subject plus verb plus object. If we mention at the beginning period the grammar, it will become complicated for the students. So this is a very easiest way to teach the students. These are the sentences: I come here, I am coming here, I have come here, I have been coming here for 2 years, I came here, I was coming here, I had come here, I had been coming here for 2 years, I will come here, I will be coming here, I will have come here, I will have been coming here for 2 years. So these are the affirmative sentences without giving any grammar. Then these are the negative sentence: I don't come here, I am not coming here, I have not come here, I have not been coming here for 2 years, I didn't come here, I was not coming here, I had not come here, I had not been coming here for 2 years, I will not come here, I will not be coming here, I will have not come here, I will have not been coming here for 2 years. So these are the negative sentences. Then these are the interrogative sentences. If we use the helping verbs at the beginning, then it will become interrogative sentence. Like, do I come here? Am I coming here? Have I come here? Have I been coming here for 2 years? Did I come here? Was I coming here? Had I come here? Had I been coming here for 2 years? So like this, we practice upon these sentences without taking any grammar. So come on the next point. These are the types of verb. There are 2 types of the verb: regular verb, then irregular verb. Regular verb take d or ed to make their past and past participle form, and irregular verb don't take d or ed to make their past and past participle form. So these are the examples you can see here in past and past participle form ed. So these are the regular verbs. Then come on the irregular verb: speak, spoke, spoken, speaking. In here you can't see here d or ed in past and past participle form. So speak, spoke, spoken, speaking. So these are the irregular verbs. Come on the next point: forms of verb. There are 4 forms of the verb: present form, past form, and past participle form, present participle form, and they are also known as V1, V2, V3 and V4. So these are the examples: go, went, gone, going. And come on the next lesson: modal verbs. The modal verbs are used to express certain hypothetical condition such as advice, capability or request. So these are the modal verbs: can, may, must, could, might, should, would, used to. These are the modal verbs. And you consider between different between 2 sentences. I do this work. Its sentence is showing the habit. I can do this work. This sentence is showing the ability. So this is the difference between the normal verbs and the modal verbs. Come on the next point. This is the causative verbs. Causative verbs are used to indicate that someone or something makes or helps to make something happen. Then second, the verbs make, get, have, help and let are the most common causative verbs in English language. So these are the causative verbs. We make our conversation, our talk beautiful, and we design our conversation by these verbs. Let, it is used to allow someone to do something, like let me explain. And then get, it is used to convince someone to do something, like get it washed. And make, it is used to force someone to do something, like my parents make me do homework before going outside. So these are the causative verbs. By this way, by this verse, we can decorate our speaking skills. And these are the examples. Wash it, this is direct word, this is direct order, wash it. And get it washed, it is order but indirect order, get it washed. So these are the examples. Then come on the next point. These are the active and passive voice. What is the difference between passive and active voice? When the sentence is in active voice, the subject of the sentence is one doing the action, and in passive voice the subject is the person or thing affected by the verb's action. So these are the active and passive sentences. Like I do my homework. It is, you can see here the subject, but in next sentence my homework is done. You can't see here the subject. So this is the passive sentence. come on the next lesson. Adverbs of frequency. These are the adverbs we can use these verbs, these adverbs in our daily talk. Like, I come here always. It is showing the 100% frequency. And I never come. It is showing the 0% frequency. So come on the last lesson, homework. So here subjects I, we, you, they, he, she, my friend, my friends, Fayaz. So by these subjects we practice upon these sentences. I come here, I go jogging, I do homework, I drive a car, I take rest, I write stories, I work for NGOs, I live in Sindagi, I teach English, I play football. And also here sentences, I don't spoil the time, I ring the bell. So these are the sentences. By this way we practice much more. So this is my brief introduction of the functional grammar, but it is depend on our practice sessions. How much we practice, it will become perfect. And I would like to mention here, I remember the first day when I came to the stage, my legs and my hands started to shaking. But my teacher gave me much more advice. My teacher always used to say me, you have the ability, you can do it, you can do it. He always used to motivate me. But after making many mistakes, he uploaded my video on YouTube. So it is for my encouragement. I pray that may Allah give him reward, may Allah grant him success in this life and hereafter. And I would like to say thanks our originator Maulana Ayyub Sahab Nadvi, as well as our administrator Hafiz Fazle Haq Sahab Nadvi. He always providing us all facilities, and he used to say, if you need any necessity, you can see, you can tell me, you can inform me, I will manage, I will provide you. So may Allah give him reward, may Allah give him long life and accept his all good deeds. And I would like to say thanks my all teachers for providing me with opportunity. And I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a nice day.